In front of me is Nothing CMF Phone 1, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder. Begin by launching Recorder app and tapping on this gear at the top right corner to enable or disable high quality format. Then go back, tap Allow in all available pop-ups, and to start recording, use this red button at the bottom. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same middle button. To discard it, click this X at the top left corner, and to end it and save it, save at the bottom right one. Now you can name it, hit save in the pop-up, and play it by clicking on it. To delete it though, hold it instead. Use this bin icon at the top right corner and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!